Hey there, welcome to Trading Kitchen's channel. Today, I want to talk about trading and how I would approach it if I had the chance to start over. First and foremost, I want to emphasize that you don't need indicators to be successful in trading. While some traders may swear by them, I believe that trading based solely on indicators can be misleading and confusing. Instead, focus on price action and learn to read the charts. Secondly, I urge you not to fall for the 90% win-profit YouTube strategies that promise quick and easy profits. In reality, trading is a complex and challenging endeavor that requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Thirdly, avoid wasting your money on fake signal rooms that promise to give you profitable trades. More often than not, these signal rooms are scams that are designed to take advantage of inexperienced traders. Instead, focus on understanding volumes, which I believe are the key to successful trading. Volumes reflect the amount of activity in the market, and analyzing them can help you predict price movements. Finally, create a backtested strategy and follow it methodically. This means testing your strategy on historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This can help you identify the strengths and weaknesses of your strategy and refine it over time. In conclusion, trading can be a challenging but rewarding journey. By avoiding common pitfalls and focusing on the key aspects of trading, such as volumes and backtested strategies, you can increase your chances of success. Join my free Discord group to get access to free futures and CFD course, free backtest and journaling and free trade ideas.